Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I will be giving myself a pedicure, a badly needed pedicure. My feet look so bad, but don't worry, I am getting them together. First, I am starting off by using 100% acetone to just remove the nail polish that I currently have on my toes. And this is regular nail polish, so acetone takes it off very easily and quickly. Then I use my straight edge nail clipper to clip my toenails. I do prefer my toenails to be short, so I am going to try to clip off as much as possible without making them too short. And once I have clipped all my toenails, I am using my Melody Susie nail file. This is a 100/180 grit nail file, and I just file my toenails straight across. And before I soak my feet, I am applying a little cuticle remover to my cuticle area. And this is just going to help soften up that skin around my cuticle area so that it is easier for me to remove. And then I go ahead and soak for about 15 minutes. And after my feet have soaked and they're nice and soft, I go ahead and use my cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. I want to reveal as much of the toenail as possible. And as you see here, this white stuff, this is all dead skin that needs to be removed. And then I flip my cuticle pusher over to the sharp part to clean underneath my toenails and just remove all of that dirt and debris. Next, I am using this cuticle remover to go around my cuticle area and get rid of all of that excess cuticle. I don't know if you can see it here, but I'm just getting rid of all of the white skin. That's how you know that the skin is dead, and you can go ahead and remove it from the toenail. And I try to get off as much as possible. It has been a while since I've gotten a pedicure, so I do have a lot of dead skin on my toenails, so I'm just trying to get rid of as much as I can. Once I'm done removing all of the cuticle from my left foot, I'll go ahead and stick that foot back in the water so it can soak for a little while longer. And then I repeat those same steps on my right foot. And next, I am using this cucumber green tea scented body scrub with exfoliants inside of it. And I'm just using this to gently exfoliate my feet. I just rub it all over my feet. And then I use my foot file to file the bottom of my feet. And I'm just trying to make them as soft as possible and get rid of any of that dead skin. And then I am buffing the toenails to prepare them for polish. Now, normally I use regular polish on my toenails just because I typically change the color often. But today I decided to do gel polish. Um, Usually, also, I typically go to a salon for a pedicure. So, this is like one of the first times in a long time that I've done a pedicure on myself. So, I thought that gel polish would be a little easier than regular polish. So, once the nails are buffed, I am using some alcohol to clean them and get rid of any of that leftover debris. Then I apply a very thin layer of the Madame Glam's base coat to each nail. And then I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. Next, I am applying a very thin layer of the Melody Susie Cinnamon Cloud. And I love this light pink color. And I also chose to use the Melody Susie gel polish because I know that I can get these nails done in one coat. And I thought that that would be a lot easier. So I am taking my time and polishing my toenails, and then I'm going to clean them up before I go ahead and cure these nails for 60 seconds. And then I apply a thin layer of the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat to each nail, and then I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. And last but not least, I'm just using some oil to rub my feet down and give myself a nice little foot massage. And these are how my toes turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.